spend that dough before your bread is stale. Backstabbers, we sleep on a bed of nails. Hypocrites talk that junk. Hysterical, blaze that skunk. Emotions, you must be high on wifey. She ain't giving up the goods. Cut the chit-chat, gossip is a gateway drug. Late model boy, digital thug. You heard he sold his guns to the enemy. Leader of the free world, shot down your cherry tree. Now everyone's so self-conscious. Fuck trends, stay sarcastic, pompous. Grown folks in plastic shoes, dance on cue, watch the egos bruise. I'm the axe with songs of experience that chop through your everyday delirium. I got caffeine, I got cancer, I got vaccines, I know crack fiends, I got hemorrhoids, I use steroids. I got muscles, don't knock the hustle. I got the next shit, I got them classics. I got exclusives, so expensive. You know it's worth it, your mommy work it. You got some new tits, you're looking perfect. Take your vitamins, minerals, irons, niacin, Nexium, Xanax, Valium, Ritalin. Random violence, 2 lines of coke. Great recipe, but that's not the antidote. Then what pray tell will break this dizzy spell? Sex sells, so get it while it's cheap. You're buying sweets to keep them off the streets. Saying PSA, brush them teeth. Black Friday, get it while it's hot. From the mega store to the corner of your block. Black Friday, cop it when it drops. Off the assembly, built-in sweatshop. Black Friday, get it while it burns. 1,000 degrees, built overseas. Panic on the streets of NYC. The USA got ADD. So just do it, don't leave home without it. Think different, less feeling about it. Ain't just a liar, also the president. Beware the stampede of white elephants. Attention shoppers. Can of worms half price, slice of humble pie ain't worth the shelf life. I'm all in, the sky is falling. Bundle with freedom next to call in. Can you hear me now? You have just won. Fast life on a sesame bun. GMOs kick artificial